Derek, it's not real. It's just another illusion.
Dad?
Eli? Eli, can you hear me?
Yeah? Yeah, I can hear you.
Eli!
Harris had his chance. Now it's my turn. My revenge. I'm going to kill them all. Starting with this child right here.
You want to kill someone? Start with me!
We can't fight him alone, he's too strong. We have to break the illusion. We have to catch him.
You can't catch me. You can't kill me. You can't even find me.
You're right. We can't find you. But we can find each other.
A wolf howls to signal its pack.
What about a werewolf? A werewolf roars.